herbs for extra freshness. Add everything into a mixing bowl. The colors already look amazing. For the dressing, add lemon juice, a pinch of salt, black pepper, and a little olive oil. Cut your avocado and add it gently. This gives the salad a creamy, smooth texture. Now give it a gentle mix so the dressing coats all the ingredients beautifully. And that's it, a simple, fresh, and healthy cabbage avocado salad. Ready to enjoy.
Thank you for watching. Stay healthy